Now I quit. I don't have the right tool because the tool I need right now did get broken a few months ago, and when you need it you don't have it. When you don't need it you have it. So I will take down the disc for brake in the front, and then I will sell the front brake in 4 pieces: caliper, disc, hose and brake cylinder in 4 pieces. Tires will go up on the ad later tonight, I think, or if I put them on Action 2, I don't really has decided yet. The first thing I will do is sell off some little parts. I have a heap of parts inside. I will try out the starter motor, see if it works. If it does, I can sell it too. I will not sell cross-to-well parts with well, do it work or do it not work? That's the question. If my calculation is correct, I might have recouped my money 1 week from now, next Sunday, with some parts left to sell. But time will say what. I will head inside, get some heat, and then I will continue cleaning parts and pack it up and list things on the internet later tonight. So it hasn't even got 24 hours since I did pick it up, so pretty decent time, no rush. So see ya.